Making money on TikTok is all about creativity, strategy, and understanding your audience. First off, let's talk about the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a great way to start earning if you have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. The payout isn't huge, but it's a good starting point. Just remember, the more engaging your content, the more views you'll get, and the more you can earn. Next, consider brand partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. If you have a niche, whether it's beauty, fitness, or cooking, reach out to companies that align with your content. Create a media kit showcasing your stats, engagement rates, and previous collaborations. Authenticity is key here. Your audience can tell if you're genuinely excited about a product or just in it for the paycheck. Affiliate marketing is another avenue. You can promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Choose products that resonate with your audience. If you're known for your fashion sense, partner with clothing brands. If you're a tech enthusiast, promote gadgets. The more relevant the product, the higher the chances your followers will buy it. Selling your own products or services is also a fantastic option. If you have a talent, like art or music, consider selling your creations directly to your followers. You can even offer online courses or coaching sessions. This not only generates income, but also strengthens your relationship with your audience. Live streaming is another powerful tool. When you go live, your followers can send you virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money. Engage with your audience during these sessions. Answer their questions, showcase your personality, and make it fun. The more interactive you are, the more likely they are to support you. Don't underestimate the power of TikTok ads. If you have a budget, consider running ads to promote your products or services. This can significantly increase your visibility and drive traffic to your profile. Just make sure your ads are eye-catching and align with your brand. Lastly, consistency is crucial. Post regularly and keep your content fresh. Experiment with different formats, trends, and challenges. Analyze what works and what doesn't. Use TikTok analytics to track your performance. The more you understand your audience, the better you can cater to their preferences. In summary, making money on TikTok requires a mix of creativity, strategy, and engagement. Whether it's through the Creator Fund, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products, there are plenty of opportunities. Stay authentic, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the more your audience will connect with you. And that's where the real magic happens.